Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bubble with chewing gum. First, choose a fresh, soft piece of gum. Chew it thoroughly until it's very soft and smooth, without any hard spots. This preparation is crucial for a good bubble. Once it's ready, use your tongue to flatten the gum into a small, thin disc shape inside your mouth. This creates the base for your bubble. Now, let's form the bubble's foundation. Carefully position the flattened gum against your front teeth, just behind your lips. Then, use your tongue to gently push the gum forward, creating a small, thin film. This film should stretch over the very tip of your tongue, forming a small pocket. This is where the air will go to create your bubble. With the gum film in place, it's time to blow. Slowly and gently exhale a small, steady stream of air through the opening you've created. You'll feel the gum start to expand. Gradually increase the air pressure, but don't blow too hard too fast. Watch your bubble grow and stop blowing when it reaches your desired size before it pops. To pop your bubble, simply close your mouth or gently touch it with your finger. Don't worry if your first few attempts aren't perfect. Practice is key. The more you try, the better you'll become at controlling the gum and your breath. Keep experimenting with different gum types and blowing techniques. Also, for an amazing clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.